Hi, Clay Alger here with Shumway, Van & Hansen. I am a member of our Immigration Law Practice Group, and today is November 20th, 2014, and I just finished watching President Obama's speech on immigration reform. Now, it was a momentous day, in my opinion, a big deal. This is probably one of the biggest reform measures taken in a long time in our country. A couple years ago we had Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, or DACA as it's known, which was also pretty big. This one is set to be even bigger. Some of the estimates I've seen and heard are that this could affect in the range of 5 million people who are currently here in the United States undocumented. So it's a big deal, a big day, and we're excited here at Shumway, Van & Hansen, and that's what we're here for, is to help people with immigration law needs. And these new measures are ripe to create a new way of life here in the United States for people who have been living in the shadows but are good people, hardworking people, have families, and don't want to be separated from the ones they love. So here's some of the highlights from President Obama's announcement. One of them is the expansion of deferred action. It's looking like the prior age limit, which was at one point 31 years old, is going to be removed. So anybody that came here before they turned 16 may qualify for DACA, whether you're 20 years old, 50 years old, 80 years old, quite frankly. Another big change is this deferred action for parents of United States citizens and legal permanent residents. So what this means, the details are still to be ironed out, but it sounds like, in general, people that have been in the United States for at least 5 years, who have a child, at least one child, that is either a U.S. citizen or a legal permanent resident, and who meets the other qualifications, including certain criminal background checks and an agreement to pay taxes, will qualify for benefits similar to DACA. What that means is it won't be a path to citizenship, it won't get you a green card, but it will give you work authorization, and it will give you the knowledge and the guarantee that you won't be deported, provided you don't commit some other act, especially criminal acts that would get you deported. But it's a big deal. These programs, DACA and this new deferred action for parents, are temporary fixes. They're not permanent. You'll probably have to renew every 2 or 3 years under these programs, but they are a good step forward. It's not comprehensive immigration reform. Congress has still not done that, but President Obama has indicated his commitment to do what he can, and this new program, these new programs, are part of that move. Now, these are not the only things that are going to change. There's also going to be improvements to the parole system, improvements to the waiver system, to naturalization, and other things at the border. And so there's going to be a lot of changes. These new measures are not going to be taking place immediately. In other words, you can't go out tomorrow and file your application. Said they're going to roll out over the next few months. It's sounding like early 2015 is when people can start filing their applications. But it's a big deal, and there's a lot that goes into these processes. There's a lot to figure out to determine, one, that you qualify for one of these new measures, and two, you need to make sure that you fill out all the proper paperwork, have the right evidence, and submit a good application so that you don't have to fear it being denied. And that's what we're here for. We're here to help you navigate this process. So if you or a loved one believe that you may qualify for one of these new programs, please give us a call at 801-478-8080. You can also reach us at attorneyutah.com or shumwayvan.com, and you can either also email me directly at clay@shumwayvan.com. I'm excited to help more people, clients past, present, and future, to improve their situation in life. This is exciting, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks.